Hey, what's up guys? Mike from Sound of Tri-State in Folsom, Pennsylvania. Just got back from our long weekend. I hope everybody had a great Memorial Day holiday. So I wanted to show you this 2016 Nissan Rogue that we just had dropped off. So as you guys know, graduation is right around the corner for a lot of kids. It's a really busy time for us this time of year for kids getting gifts from their parents, typically radios. Usually a lot of kids are getting hand-me-down cars that have defective factory radios or radios that don't have upgraded touchscreens. So this vehicle here, I'll show you the dash. It does have a touchscreen. You can see it's stuck on this loading page. It didn't even have CarPlay anyway if it was working. So what we're going to be doing is taking this radio out. We're going to be putting a new Pioneer unit in with all the parts to allow it to fit in nicely. Lastly, we are going to retain the factory backup camera. So if the camera's still working, we'll be able to have that displayed on the new Pioneer radio. If when we get the radio done, the camera isn't going to work, then we have a solution to put it in the same location. So you can see the camera right here from the factory. We'll be able to mount ours if needed. So we're going to wrap this up today. I will take another video and show you guys the end results. All right, thank you.